The most daily use phrasal verbs in English. Look up. Look up. To search for information. I need to look up that word in the dictionary. Take off. Take off. To remove or lift off. He took off his slippers before entering in the swimming pool. Run out. Run out. To use all of something and have none left. We ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. Put on. Put on. To dress oneself in something. I need to put on my jacket before going outside. Come up. Come up. To arise or happen unexpectedly. A last-minute meeting came up, so I won't be able to attend the event. Go out. Go out. To leave and go somewhere. We're going out for dinner tonight. Break down. Break down. To stop functioning or fail. My car broke down on the highway. Give up. Give up. To stop trying or surrender. Don't give up on your dreams, keep pushing forward. Make up. Make up. To invent or create something. She made up an excuse for not attending the party. Set up. Set up. To arrange or organize something. We need to set up the tents for the camping trip. Check in. Check in. To register at a hotel or airport. We need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. Turn on. Turn on. To start or switch something on. Don't forget to turn on the lights before coming in. Throw away. Throw away. To discard or get rid of something. We need to throw away the old magazines. Hang up. Hang up. To end a phone call by placing the receiver back. I need to hang up now, I have to go. Look for. Look for. To search for something. I'm looking for my keys, have you seen them? Bring back. Bring back. To return something to its original place. Don't forget to bring back the book you borrowed. Get in. Get in. To enter a vehicle or place. Let's get in the car and drive to the mall. Take out. Take out. To remove or extract something from a place. I need to take out the trash before it starts to smell. Check out. Check out. To pay and leave a hotel or store. We checked out of the hotel early in the morning. Fill out. Fill out. To complete a form or document with information. Please fill out this application form before the deadline. Work out. Work out. To exercise or solve a problem. I like to work out at the gym 3 times a week. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. Can you please look after my dog while I'm away? Catch up. Catch up. To reach the same level or pace as others. I need to catch up on the latest news. Go back. Go back. To return or go to a previous location. Let's go back to the restaurant we visited last week. Put off. Put off. To postpone or delay something. We had to put off the meeting until next week. Bring up. Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic. She brought up the issue during the staff meeting. Turn up. Turn up. To increase or raise the volume of something. Can you turn up the music a bit? Cut off. Cut off. To disconnect or stop abruptly. The phone call was cut off in the middle of our conversation. Hold on. Hold on. To wait or stay on the line. Please hold on while I transfer your call. Give back. Give back. To return something to its owner. Don't forget to give back the book to the library. Break up. Break up. To end a relationship or discussion. The couple decided to break up after years of dating. Get up. Get up. To rise from bed or a seated position. I need to get up early for work tomorrow. Look out. Look out. To be careful or watch for danger. Look out for cars when crossing the street. Try on. Try on. To test the fit of clothing or accessories. I need to try on these shoes before buying them. Fill in. Fill in. To complete missing information in a form or document. Can you fill in the missing details on this form? Bring in. Bring in. To introduce or involve someone or something. We need to bring in more experts to solve this problem. Set off. Set off. To start a journey or trip. We set off on our road trip early in the morning. Call off. Call off. To cancel or postpone something. The game was called off due to bad weather. Put away. Put away. To store or keep something in its place. Make sure to put away your toys when you're done playing. Make out. Make out. To decipher or understand something difficult. I can't make out what he's saying, his accent is strong. Get off. Get off. To leave a vehicle, bus, or train. I'll get off at the next bus stop. Show up. Show up. To arrive or appear at a specific time or place. I hope she shows up before the party starts. Turn down. Turn down. To refuse or reject an offer or request. She turned down the job offer because of the low salary. Break in. Break in. To enter a building forcibly or illegally. The burglars tried to break in through the back door. Pull out. Pull out. To remove or extract something from a container or place. I need to pull out some money from the ATM. Fill up. Fill up. To make something full, usually a tank or container. The gas tank is empty, we need to fill up before driving. Hang out. Hang out. To spend time in a relaxed or casual manner. Let's hang out at the park this afternoon. Show off. Show off. To display or demonstrate one's abilities or possessions. He always likes to show off his new car. Get in. Get in. To enter or board a vehicle or place. Get in the car, we're going shopping. Break up. Break up. To separate or disperse a group of people. The teacher had to break up the fight in the schoolyard. Turn over. Turn over. To flip or invert an object. Please turn over the paper to read the other side. Go on. Go on. To continue or proceed with an activity or event. The show must go on, despite the technical difficulties. Drop off. Drop off. To deliver something or someone. I'll drop off the package at the post office on my way to work. Check on. Check on. To verify the status or condition of someone or something. Can you check on the kids before bed? Pick out. Pick out. To select or choose from a group of options. I need help picking out a dress for the wedding. Set aside. Set aside. To reserve or save something for future use. Set aside some money for emergencies. Hold up. Hold up. To delay or hinder progress. The traffic accident held up our journey by an hour. Go over. Go over. To review or examine something in detail. Let's go over the details of the project one more time. Get along. Get along. To have friendly or harmonious relationship with someone. They get along well, despite their differences in opinions.